Hi everyone, so in today's video we're going to have a look at product analysis revision for the second year exam. So typically this is going to be on your second paper, paper 2, the year and a half one, and this will be in section A. So it will normally give you an insert in your exam paper with a couple of pictures of different products that ask you to analyse. So just to recap from before, what you need to know is let's understand how it's normally set out and then understand how to sort of tackle the questions as we go ahead with it. So usually they'll show you a picture of a product or a group of products that you can analyse. So they could ask you to analyse it on a range of different things. So it could be the type of materials that it's used and comparing which one would be more suitable and why. It could be the design process or how it would have been developed. It could be the design influence, so what design styles, so is it more Bauhaus related, is it more like the steel, that sort of thing. Or it could be the influence of technological developments, so why something developed as technology has changed. It could be socioeconomic issues, it could be moral issues, it could be ethical issues, or any environmental issues like that. So we're going to have a look at a couple of questions for you to go through. So first one, to compare the two kettles shown, in your answer you should refer to product safety, energy efficiency, and ergonomics. So it's giving you a bit of information already. It's already told you what materials it's made from. It's told you power supply, it's told you the method of filling, and it's told you how it heats up, and it's giving you two clear pictures. There's 12 marks. So first of all, you're going to need to write a summary or conclusion. Because anytime there's a discussion or a comparison in a long mark question, there's got to be a summary at the end. So here's to talk about three areas. So for 12 marks, that's four each. Okay, 4 times 3 is 12. That is 2 points of the discussion for both kettles. So 12 marks. Pause the video. I've got an answer and we'll go for the answers. Okay, so first, so go for the modern kettle. So product safety is made out of ABS, which is a really good thermal insulator. So this reduces the risk of burns. If you touch the kettle once it's been heated up, obviously with Master 1 you don't have that. The handle is on the side of the kettle, so there's no risk of being scalded, whereas on the first one, the 1980s, the handle's on top, so if you grab it at the top, steam will come up and be in contact with your wrist, which can cause scalding. The detachable base means the kettle can be moved anywhere in the kitchen without the risk of the power cord being stretched, so that reduces the risk of spillage anywhere or pulling a cable too far. The water level window on the side helps ensure that you don't overfill it or reduce the risk of boiling and water spilling out over the top. But on the other one, there is no water level indicator on the kettle. Like I said, it does, like you could overfill it, then if you overfill it and boil it, boiling water can be spat out from it. The handle of the kettle is made from polymer, which is a good insulator of heat, which does prevent burns hot from the handle of the kettle. The lid reaches the bottom means that the top can be open for refill without any risk of scalding, so you don't have to put your hand anywhere near it. And then to refill the kettle, the lid needs to be removed. This increases the risk of touching the hot metal beneath the plastic handle, which can result in burns occurring. So we're talking about like each point, sort of comparing pros and cons of each different product. So then looking at energy efficiency. So obviously we've got 12 marks, so we don't need to have all of those. So these are just examples that you can go through. So we're looking at energy efficiency. So the use of the hot plate allows the kettle to boil more quickly and effectively. Uh, the body of the kettle is made from plastic, which is an insulator, which will help prevent heat being lost and then like wasted energy. And the kettle includes a thermostat that causes the kettle to turn off as soon as the water has been boiled. And then in comparison, obviously you don't have those things on the 1980s kettle, so the heating element of the kettle is not very efficient in boiling, so it does waste a lot of energy. Heating elements regularly get covered in limescale, particularly down in the south where you've got quite hard water. The body of the kettle is made from stainless steel, which is an excellent conductor, but some energy will get wasted just going through the body, heat from the body. There's no water level to indicate how full it is, so you might be pouring too much water or like filling up too much water that you don't actually need. And then ergonomics, the things like the detachable base make it easy to use, pick up, move around. Means it can easily turn on and off with left or right-handed people. Handle on the side means it's quite easy to tip and pour up without causing any damage. Switch on the side is really easy to reach out with your thumb so you can touch it no problem. Again, you're comparing that to the fact that the handle on the other one is on the above, so it's quite difficult to pour and puts a lot of pressure on the wrist, that type of thing. Then the kettle can be completely removed, So it's easy to fill up because you remove the kettle, so it's quite a big hole to fill up, not a problem. But the power cable needs to be detached before the kettle can be removed, so if you forget that, it can be quite a faff on. So 12 marks there, so we need three areas with 4 marks for each. So really, you could take any two of those points and do pros and cons together. So if we take the fact that, say, product safety, the kettle's made from ABS, which is excellent thermal insulator, that reduces the risk of burning because if you touch it, it doesn't get hot. And then you say, whereas because the 1980s kettle is made from stainless steel, so it's a very good conductor of heat, but the body will get hot and it does have the risk of being burned. So that will be 1 point with 2 marks. That's 2 marks there brought up because you're comparing them together. Don't do them standalone. Jump between the two uh, products and compare them that way. The next one, explain how the school chair shown in figure 1 and 2 below has been designed to be suitable for the classroom. So 40 marks. So 40 marks, so 7 points for an explanation. You need to discuss materials, manufacturing processes, and what makes it suitable for schools. So think back to the school hall that you had when you were in secondary school. What were the chairs like then? What happened to them? So, most typically they're probably made out of polypropylene, are the most common ones. So that means it's chemical resistant. So graffiti, chewing gum, and things can be removed off it quite easily. So you can just like spray it down, it comes off really, really easily. Really good resistance to wear and tear. So it can be bent and it's not going to break. It can be knocked around, not going to break much either. So you can get texture, can then apply to the surface. So that then can get rid of that visibility scratches. Handle at the back of it there, for the reason why the handle is there, so it's easy to move around. Seat legs are bolted together, so you can, if say the leg break, you can just remove the legs, or if the top, like if when people are leaning back quite a lot and they snap the back, you can just replace the back as opposed to the whole chair. The chairs are stackable, as I'm sure we've all seen in the old halls after assemblies in secondary school, where all the chairs are stacked up at the side. The whole point is that they are stackable, so they go out of the way quite easily. User standard seats and legs means that you can pretty much make the same thing over and over again, and you get different colours, but it's very, very easy to mass produce quite a lot. So the top is probably going to be injection molded, and the bottom parts will probably just be welded with a frame nice and easily. So that is the end of product analysis. As I say, it's going to give you 2 products, maybe 3 if you can pick the best one. If you've got any questions, please do send me an email or get back to me on Teams.